Just a quick shot of the upstairs. I'm waiting for an engineering company to arrive to see if we can relocate the stairwell. And last night I vacuumed for about an hour, and there's a tiny bit of dust, but things are looking pretty clean. This week I also did some research on materials that would be useful in projects around the house, such as Acoustablock, which you see here. It's a mass-loaded vinyl, and this is a great soundproofing option for home theater. At 1/8 of an inch, Acoustablock has the same sound deadening properties as 12 inches of poured concrete, so it's great for sound deadening in a small space. This is just a living room that I liked. I'm also looking at solutions for countertops, and poured epoxy countertops are really popular and fairly durable. Stone coat countertops gives a lot of options in terms of looking like stone. I was looking at these, but there's pros and cons. Another bit of research I was doing this week was on a wall brace system called Gorilla Braces. This guy is showing how he did a DIY fix on that lateral movement on his basement wall. Essentially, you install a brace at the ceiling, which you can see in that joist, and that tightens the brace into the wall, supporting the load of the wall. There's a good shot of it here. You can see a few of these installed, keeping that wall straight. Good afternoon. It's 5 days to Christmas, December 20th, and today I'm going to be doing a little bit of more cleanup in the family room upstairs. There's still these anchors into the concrete, and so in preparations to start framing, I'm going to be removing these final anchors and starting some concrete patchwork. I also picked up some goodies at Home Depot today. This is one of those LED lights that screws into a standard socket. It's 24 bucks. I figured it was worth giving it a try while I'm needing some temporary light during construction, and then when I'm done, if it's any good, I'll use it as a shop light here in the garage. I also picked up a 200 amp, what do you even call this? Meter socket, so I can replace the meter socket outside, so we can have 200 amp service. And then I also picked up this 200 amp 40 slot electric box. And one thing that's nice about this, you'll see it in a later video, is the cable management it's got at the top with all these plastic clips instead of the traditional round punch outs. So in a week or two, I'll be upgrading all the electrical service, and the final piece I'm waiting on is, of course, that main service cable. Home Depot doesn't have any 2220 cable, so I've got to get about 75 feet of that. That's going to be the most expensive part of this entire upgrade, but it'll be well worth it. Really future-proof the electrical in this home. And without further ado, let's get going on some angle grinding.